Hey, I'm Satra, you might as well know me as PostUtopia or Yue. 50 days ago, I started this challenge with 3 main goals in my mind: financial stability, PostUtopia visibility, and new career path, plus support to the project. These two are together. I was thinking to do weekly progress videos, but well, something went wrong. Sorry about this. On this one, I'd want to quick share what I did for past 50 days, why I didn't post videos, and what changes I'm facing on the plan and in my mind as well. There are still 2 arts left from my art debt list, excluding bonuses and gifts, but they're half done, so it's not so bad. Money debts are still there. I didn't finish any pretty projects, and I didn't upload much or at all on Instagram, and wasn't uploading long videos weekly, as I already said. It might look like I didn't do anything at all. However, this is what I actually succeeded to accomplish for past 50 days. I almost caught up on commission debt and doing my best to draw new commissions as soon as I can. I opened new types for commissions. I updated shop, and I also prepared files to upload ahead to my social media. I did learn some basics for 3D, and I'm sculpting sometimes for fun and practice, and I'm also doodling things daily. Unfortunately, in the middle of these 50 days, I've got medical issues, and it was incredibly hard for me to work, and this is the main reason of why I didn't post long videos for past few weeks. I actually did record the audio for this, but I didn't have any power to edit this video. But for now, I changed medication, and I finally feel like an alive human being, so it should be fine. I mentioned some changes to my plan lately. So first of all, no more priorities to Etsy or other digital goodies that I'm making for this challenge time. So until the end of this year, not going to prioritize it. And the change about 3D is that instead of doing something random, I would want to make like a mini project here and there. So that would make more sense for me. The rest of the plan is going to stay the same pretty much. I'm still thinking if I should change pattern or keep it the way it is, but the final decision is going to be made in the end of this year. Now, how this challenge changed my mind so far. That is the hardest part. I drew over 100 of doodles for my project, half of which were actually drawn during this challenge. I keep on doing it and upload it as a batch on my Patreon every Sunday. Uploading or scheduling doodles every Sunday brought the buffer idea to my brain, little by little. In a month, I started to glaze a pack of arts to prepare them to upload on DeviantArt and have them all prepared for the week ahead. Because before, like, one of the main reasons of why I was not so consistently uploading on DeviantArt is because I was remembering about upload to DeviantArt, but I didn't have any arts glazed, and I'm only uploading glazed arts there, and I was like, oh, well, too bad. I don't have anything to upload today, I'll do it tomorrow. And tomorrow it was the same situation. I was remembering about this too late, and then it was too late to glaze, and I was postponing this to tomorrow, and this tomorrow was like keep on going for weeks and months, and that's why I was sometimes so quiet on DeviantArt. Right now I'm preparing files ahead, and apparently that's very convenient. Wow. And preparing things ahead was a nice idea that my brain liked, apparently. So I also started to prepare poses ahead, like I'm drawing them during the week and pre-upload them, or like trying to pre-upload them for Monday or Tuesday of the next week. Same actually went to my other Patreon rewards. I already sketched them in the beginning of this month, and now I just need to basically finish them. And that's when I faced one of the issues, and so far my biggest enemy, not finishing what I started. I already had this problem like years ago, and now it's back. I have 100 of dailies sketched, How many of these do you think I actually finished? 4. 4 arts. That's incredible. One of these sketches looked kind of like done, so well, if we count this one, it's going to be 5 out of 100. That's insane. It's kind of easy with commissions because the commissioner is waiting for the art, so I just need to finish it and give it to them. But when it goes to my own art, I have no idea what's going on in my brain. Maybe I'm just afraid that it's not very interesting for the others, while the sketches are totally fine for me as they are. Don't know. And this is something I should work on, because I know for sure that there are people waiting for my Aussie arts, they are waiting for my stories, and that's a shame that I keep these people in the dark. That's one of the important things that I need to learn on this challenge. I need to learn how to finish my own arts. I'll be going there little by little, finishing one art after another, upload it, finish all these reels and shorts that I actually sketched but never finished yet. And maybe eventually my brain will relearn that people want to see my original characters too. And I suppose that's the same issue that made me struggle about the format of PostUtopia, because I wasn't sure if I want to make it horizontal, like as horizontal videos, or maybe vertical videos, or maybe comics, strips, webtoon. So many options and decision paralysis. But while working on all these daily doodles, I actually decided to draw the main story as a webtoon. That is going to be the final form of PostUtopia Peppermint Winter. Fun things, shorts, short stories, all this is going to be still on Reels, Shorts and TikToks, but the main one is going to be there. At least I hope so. And it won't be started this year. Right now I'm busy with the challenge, and then there's other things I need to do. So maybe next year, maybe. I need to prepare for it. And I also need to prepare my 3D skills, which I don't have much, for the project I want to make by the end of this year. It's going to be simple. I just want to make my original character, Michelle, if you know her, you know her, as a chibi on a coffee cup, I don't know, with some marshmallows and Christmas vibes. Really wanted. Her birthday is on Christmas Eve. That would be super cute, I think, as a little gift for my original character. I think that's enough for today's video. I am not going to edit it much. I'm still not completely recovered after health issues. So yeah, it is what it is. I did my best, and that's 50 days progress so far. We have a bit less than half left. Wish me luck. Press comment, leave a like. See you in the next video. Bye!